Elon Musk has entered the AI race with XAI's chatbot, Grok. But can it compete with ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini? Is it smarter, funnier, or just another AI model? Today, we're breaking down what makes Grok different, how it performs, and if it's the future of AI chatbots. Let's dive in. 1. What is Grok? Grok is XAI's flagship chatbot, designed to be checkmark more rebellious. Musk claims it's less politically biased. Checkmark integrated with X, Twitter, can access real-time social media data. Checkmark humorous and sarcastic, meant to be wittier than ChatGPT. Checkmark free for X Premium Plus users, while ChatGPT and Gemini have paid tiers. But does Grok live up to the hype? 2. Testing Grok versus ChatGPT, which is better? We ran 3 key tests comparing Grok and ChatGPT-4. Small Diamond Test 1, General Knowledge. We asked both models, explain black holes in simple terms. Checkmark Grok's response, short, witty, and included a joke. Checkmark ChatGPT's response, more detailed and scientific. Bullseye winner, ChatGPT, more educational, but Grok is funnier. Small Diamond Test 2, real-time news awareness. We asked, what's the latest in AI regulation? Checkmark Grok pulled Twitter data for recent AI policy updates. Checkmark ChatGPT relied on older, pre-trained data. Bullseye winner, Grok, better for breaking news. Small Diamond Test 3, creativity and humor. We asked both to write a funny tweet about AI. Checkmark Grok's tweet, more sarcastic, in line with Musk's humor. Checkmark ChatGPT's tweet, witty, but felt more generic. Bullseye winner, Grok, better at humor. 3. Grok's strengths and weaknesses. Checkmark strengths. Checkmark real-time knowledge, thanks to X, Twitter, integration. Checkmark more personality, injects humor and sarcasm. Checkmark free for X Premium Plus users, no extra cost for X subscribers. Prohibited weaknesses. Crossmark not as deep in reasoning, ChatGPT is still better for complex topics. Crossmark limited outside of Twitter, other AI models have broader training data. Crossmark still in early stages, lacks features like coding assistance. 4. Is Grok the future of chatbots? Small Diamond if you want a funny, real-time chatbot, Grok is a great option. Small Diamond if you need deep AI reasoning, ChatGPT and Claude are still better. Small Diamond if Musk's vision expands and Grok evolves, it could become a major AI competitor. For now, Grok is fun, fast, and integrated with X. But is it the best AI chatbot? Not yet. Would you switch to Grok? Let us know in the comments.